Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by cutting power at the breaker and verifying zero voltage with a tester. Do this first because safety is non-negotiable. Once done, set a ladder under the fixture and remove the cover or shade. Keep screws in a small tray. As you loosen the mounting screws, support the fixture with one hand so it doesn't fall. Take a photo of the wiring for reference, because later you'll need the exact reassembly orientation and color code. You now handle the wiring. First, identify hot, neutral, and ground. Note which fixture conductor went to each house wire. Use insulated pliers to hold conductors while you remove wire nuts. Work one connection at a time to avoid mistakes. Once disconnected, cap each bare conductor with a wire nut and give a gentle tug to confirm security. Fold the capped wires back into the box so they won't interfere with the new fixture or a blank plate. You finish by unfastening the mounting bracket from the junction box and removing any remaining hardware. Inspect the box for damage and confirm the ground is intact. If you're leaving the fixture out, install a listed blank cover and secure all wires. Restore power briefly and check that the circuit behaves normally. If the breaker trips or you see arcing, kill power again and recheck your wire caps. If problems persist, call a licensed electrician.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.